Okay, if any of you wondered how to get started with the HTML homework, I had a couple of students approached me. One came in my office, another sent a mail. So I thought I would put out there a small video clip so you can watch it and learn how to get started if you didn't know already. Okay. To do the HTML homework, first thing you need is an editor where you can type things in and save it. Okay. Well, of course you could use Microsoft Word, but you have to use an editor that allows you to save text in a very basic format, unlike Microsoft Word where you can set margin, make things bold, underline, colored. You need simple, very basic editor. Okay. Such as Windows Notepad. Notepad will do, but there is another program called Notepad++, which is free and it does little more than Notepad does. And once you start using it, you will see why it is called Notepad++ and why it is a better program. Okay. The second thing you need is a browser. So any kind of browser will do. If you have Internet Explorer, I'm sure if you have a Windows-based machine, then you have Internet Explorer. That will do. If you have Chrome installed, that will do. If you have Firefox, that will do. Any kind of browser will do. Okay. For Apple users, you can use Safari for browser, but you will need something else, a different kind of editor that allows you to type the text. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works on Windows platform. Okay, so let's get started how to start things off the ground. Like I said, first thing you need is to have an editor. How do I get to the editor? Let's start Internet Explorer, and in the address bar we type download.com. Okay. This is a website. It's a CNET website, and I use it fairly often for a very long time, at least 15 years. I never got any virus or anything downloading program from here, so I trust the website and I use it. Whether you trust it or not, that's for you to decide. I'm going to select here Windows software and I'm going to type Notepad++. Okay. And of course Notepad is 1D, not 2. There are 2 plus signs though. Okay, so I search for it, pressing enter key, and this is what I got. Okay, scroll a little bit further down and this is one. Okay, as you can see, it has 2.3 million downloads. Okay, and it has 4.5 star rating. So this is the one you click on, download now. Okay. Now we say yes, run, and it shows running security scan, so it may take a little time. When you get this prompt, say yes, and after that say please select a language. You select all the defaults. In installing a software, most of the time that's what you do, use the default. If you change folders where you want to save, it's a hassle, so just accept all the defaults. Okay, so we're going to say next, we say agree. Of course, if we don't agree, then we don't get to go to the next screen. Here again, I'm going to accept all the default. Again, accept default, and I would say install. Okay, and it is installing. It shouldn't take very long. As you can see, it's already done. Okay, you have the option to say run the notepad when it is done, or you could just leave out. For example, we leave out. Okay, deselect that and we say finish the installation, and the installation is done. Okay, since it's done, I'm going to close this Internet Explorer as well. Okay, and let's see where it went. Here we go to all programs and try to find Notepad++. Here is Notepad++. Okay. Here is a screen that gives us the basic editor screen. That's where we will type the programs. Okay.